Attorney Mustafa?
Yes, Your Honor, I was still waiting to see if the offer was going to be sent so I could talk to my client.
Let me ask my clerk if she, because the
Are you just here?
counsel is not in here. So we have Attorney Jansen now. She said it wasn't one.
What is the device? You the one we were trying to. Leader. H-O-M, that's your device name. Is that it? Yes, it is. You talking while I'm talking to you. You don't know what the device say. Yes, that's you. I'm about to rename you. We were trying to get some attention from you. That's you. Really go where you go.
Attorney Burgos?
Yes, we're here.
All right.
Okay, so now patient to break. Okay, so you're gonna go. Yeah, you gotta wait though, because we got a lot of people. It's gonna be a meeting. Not about to put you in a break. So, okay, so I'm about to do this right now. So you want to be joining the fight. I'm gonna take you. But I need you to stay there. Okay? So it's gonna be a meeting. You can take it, you cut your camera off and all that. It'll be a meeting.
Give me 1 second. I just gotta refocus the camera, okay?
All right. Yes. I'm about to send it to you right now. You see it? Yeah, so hit join. All right. We finally find out who she is.
I know. Not too bad. You can't hide. Now calling the matter of the people versus your book quote. Is it Nora quote?
Yes, correct.
All right, U ticket 64780122. This is one count of offer to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. May it please this honorable court, Paul Bogus, P58135, retained counsel for Mr. Yagub, who's at my office today, sitting to my right.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, Mr. Yagub?
Noor Yaqub.
All right. Today's the date and time set for an arraignment in this, or pretrial in this matter. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, we'd like to waive and close pretrial proceedings and set this matter for a trial date.
All right. Is that going to be a bench or a jury trial?
At this time, we're seeking a bench trial without waiving the right to a jury trial.
All right. My bench trial dates are on March the 24th of 2023 at 9 a.m. I won't ask him for to swear him in now because you don't want him to waive his rights. So I'll just set it for a bench trial at this point, okay?
Thank you. So we'll see you March 24th at 9 a.m. Thank you.
That's right. March 24th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, have a good day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you, sir. Bounds continue, $0 personal.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for holding me. I'm sorry about that. And you said Jerry is.
Miss Wheeler, you're on live court, telling people and answering phone calls. I put it away. All right, so. All right. 1,
Mr. Wall? You unmute Mr. Wall. Unmute your device, Mr. Wall. Mr. Walls, you on mute. You need to unmute your device. Unmute your device.
Hello?
Okay, Mr. Walls, we received your information, okay? I'm gonna place you
Okay.
into a wait.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Walter, Ian Walter or Ian Walter? Mr. Walter? You see, I changed. But you know, you leave it in your refrigerator, then it go bad. I know. I was like, no, I got to check this. Johnny, I think they can give you Gary Walter. Gary.
Hold on. I got another one. Hold on. And Washington.
That's what we need to offer. Oh, I got them.
Trying to make me feel bad. Anybody doing your that? Today?
Ms. Wilson,
Yes, I'm here.
have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm gonna place you to a waiting room until the judge is ready for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Elder,
Yes.
what was your case number, sir?
I don't have it right now. I'm at work right now.
Because you wasn't on our morning docket, so I need to look you up. I don't know how you got placed in the breakout room by accident.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me see if I can bring it for you.
The last time I was in court, I was supposed to pay some fees, but I wasn't able to pay them due to me not working. But I have a job now. I was wondering, like, would y'all be able to extend it to I'll be able to get my first check or something?
Oh, so you just owe money.
Yeah, I just owe money, but
So
my
what did
lawyer
you
told
do
me
then
if I,
today?
cause my lawyer told me if I ain't pay the fines, to come to court and explain it.
It was due today.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just did an extension? Was both
Yes.
of them due today? Hold on.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah, both of them was due today. How long do you need?
I get my first check on February 3rd.
February what?
February 3rd.
February 3rd. Okay, so how about I just extended to February 28th for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So you didn't have to zoom in for that. You could have just called the court.
Oh, I didn't know. That's why I just came to court.
Okay, so I'm going to extend it to February 28th for both. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so you can go ahead and zoom off.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Woods. Mr. Woods? You're on mute, sir. We have an iPhone. What's your name? iPhone. Hey, okay. Okay, thanks. Yeah. Yeah. But is he able to do it on Zoom? Because he did. We do need to back that, but we don't have to call. So, do you want to, what do you want to do? Because we don't have a call. So the court will bring it. Can he connect to Zoom? He said, okay. Try to help him connect to Zoom. Okay, thank you. Bye. iPhone, what's your name? iPhone.
And May, is she talking to
Yes,
me?
what's your name, sir? What's your name, ma'am?
Laura Waller.
Waller, you just checking in?
They had me in the wrong room. She had me checked in a whole nother Zoom. The information they sent me on this card is incorrect.
Okay.
So I've been sitting there in a whole nother breakout room.
Okay.
They're just
Oh,
figuring
wow.
out where I'm supposed to be.
Okay. Well, you're in the right courtroom now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And we have like a lot of people,
Okay,
like almost 30 people. So
Okay.
it's gonna be a while, okay? So I need you to
Yes,
take
ma'am,
your
that's
patience
fine.
this morning, okay?
Yes, ma'am, that's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back into another breakout room. I apologize that you had to wait so long in another breakout room.
That's okay. As long as I'm in the right place now, I just want to get it over with. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're gonna go to breakout room number 28, okay?
Okay.
Attorney, Mustafa, did you talk to Attorney Jansen about your case?
She texted me. She said she asked for co-hosts, so we haven't been in a breakout room, but she did text me.
I made a co-host. Sorry, Attorney Jansen.
No, that's okay. I just wanted to know if Attorney Maloof is also representing Mr. Walton, because I'll put you guys both in a room.
That's the officer.
Oh, that's the officer? Okay, thank you.
Hello? I'm trying to go back to the zone. Hold on.
They just moved in. Last four digits 7676. You're on the telephone. What's your name? 7676.
Angela Walker Kelly. Angela Walker Kelly.
Miss Kelly, how you end up on the telephone? You was just on
I don't
Zoom
know.
with the video. How you get on the telephone?
I know. Oh, I don't know how, because somebody came on the scene and I tried to talk to him. And then,
All right, Miss Kelly, I'm gonna put you back into the breakout room.
They've been there for a while.
Okay.
No, I'm not saying anything.
No, I'm saying mine. Wait, how many people y'all have? Y'all ready?
Okay.
You got a lot, ready. I got a lot of people. I think a lot of officers too.
Okay. You need me just to come on and release the officer?
Yeah. Mr. Gilmore has some ready too, so we might back them up real fast.
Okay. I need some files.
I'm gonna tell y'all people been waiting. I was gonna wait too.
No, I'm gonna say like that. And I said that, man. See, you was on the phone. You only got half what I said.
No, I heard you say they've been waiting for a while. I've been waiting for a while.
No, I'm not saying anything.
We got about 12, 13 people in the waiting room.
Is that Mr. Goss? Good morning.
Ready to roll.
Yes, you hear Mr. Goss in here fussing early in the morning?
May I send Mr. Goss some compliance documents, or may I just testify to those, sir?
It's Miss Jansen.
Oh, Ms. Jansen, I'll send those to her.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
She back today. He came in here to see if I was ready to come to the courtroom. He's doing.
Yeah, because she has my judge sitting next to her.
Okay. I'll probably be down there in a minute myself.
All right, I want to do these chunk of people that we have in the waiting room real quick though. Mr.
Oh,
Williams, I
understood.
know you've been up here and that you've been checked in. And so just hold tight. I'm going to put you into a breakout room so that you can talk to the attorney today. I don't have a courtroom officer. That's why you weren't allowed to come into the courtroom today. Okay, Mr. Wing? All right, I'm going to put you into breakout room number 29, okay? No, 30. Wow. 30. Okay, join 30, but we're trying to get you out of here. All right. Officers, did any of the officers, people check in for?
No, he hasn't checked in yet.
All right. Sergeant Martin,
Yes, Your Honor.
you were here for James Warner?
Yes.
No. All right, he didn't check in, I don't think. Let me check. Let me do one more cursory check.
No, he didn't.
He did not check in. You're all set. You can leave, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Welcome. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you.
He did check in. He's independent here. Cameron, wait.
What about Corporal J?
No.
All right,
DeAndre Wilson.
Corporal Rule and Corporal Bennett.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to both of you. Unfortunately, your defendant did not check in, so you are both all set. Stay safe out there, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
All right. And Corporal Rule, I like your tattoo. That's cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, I asked Attorney Buffy to Attorney Bachman,
Yes.
while we're waiting, the officer is here for Eric, for Cameron Williams, Eric Brown.
Okay, I'll go do that individual right now and bring him out.
And the offer is amend to improper plates if they want to take that.
Okay, the defendant's name is Brown.
No, that's the officer.
Okay.
Officer is Eric Brown. The defendant's name is Cameron Williams.
Mr. Williams, all right. You have-
360. 360. 337. 0000. What's your name, sir? Name White. Every square. I don't see you on that document.
How you doing, Your Honor? Good, thank you.
These are most of the files, some of the files are not okay yet. If you have an issue with file when I hear you, I can look for.
Okay, you can't get new
Or, you know.
Thank you, I appreciate
You're
it.
welcome. So, okay, go ahead. Okay, so, hold on. Yeah, 30. That has 30. Big plane. See, you called my all this, no, you had all your information. See how you do? But you called the man to speak to the judge, and you even have your text. Yeah, yes, yeah, sort of. You trying to zoom in, we got 30 people, you ain't even on the top. What's your job license? So you have no insurance, everybody. Okay, so you're already in 2.4, 1/3. Yeah. So you go February 6th. So you just need to come before that, right? So what's the date? You know, you want to say, all right, I'm here, coming here. What was okay called? Unsafe manner and improper passage. These are people. You made a payment. You didn't pay $91. You made a payment for this account for $91. That's why. Yeah. What is it? No problem. What is it? 3, 4. Right. We just got 30 people. Okay, I'll call you back. That's the docket. No, yeah. Okay. With the docket. And then the text is one person who said being city attorney. Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. Attorney Bowman.
We'll do those first. Okay. All right, Attorney Bowman, ready on the people in the breakout room? I mean, the waiting room.
We ready, Your Honor.
And I'm gonna bring out Mr. Yono and let's do corporal attorney call him.
Schroeder. No, he didn't call him. All right, he's a trial. So I'm gonna call that person. There you go. Devon, no.
Hello?
Hold on a minute, ma'am. You just checked into my courtroom. Hold on. What's your GMC? Excuse me. All right, now calling the people versus Devon Yono. This is ticket P 11525569. This is one count ride motor vehicle, motorcycle, moped on sidewalk. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Devon Yono.
Thank you. These are matters set for trial. I don't know that a complaining witness has shown today on behalf of the people, but on behalf of the defendant, I'm asking the court to consider a motion to dismiss without prejudice where there's no complaining witness here today.
All right. The time is now 10:32 a.m. No, this matter was set for 9 a.m. No officer having appeared at this time. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you're all set, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Am I gonna get, sorry, to interrupt. Am I gonna get any work that shows it's dismissed as well?
You can go online. I will go online tomorrow. You should be able to print out saying that it's dismissed, okay? We don't mail out paperwork though, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Have a good day. Yep, you guys too. Thank you, House Counsel Baughman.
I know.
All right, phone number 1637. What's your name, ma'am?
Venus Young.
Ms. Young, were you signed in already today?
I was, but no one hit me up to say anything.
Ms. Venus Young, I don't remember you being signed in today on my docket.
Well, I'm supposed to I had a 8:35 appointment. And I've been trying to get on Zoom, and a couple people tried to help me out. So I called the number on the back of the notice that I got, and it direct me to you, so that I can hear what.
All right. Well, Ms. Young, welcome to our courtroom. I have 31 people signed in, so you're gonna have to be extra patient today. I'm about to put you into a room. No one's gonna be in there. Probably in about an hour, someone's gonna come in there and talk to you. I hope it's sooner than that, but you gotta be patient today because I'm doing some other matters on the record of people who checked in earlier this morning. When he comes in, Attorney Baughman will talk to you about your case and about your rights today, okay?
Okay, now I have one question. May I ask?
Yes,
I can hear you, but I can't see nothing.
right, because you're on the phone. So instead of signing in through the Zoom app where you will be able to see me, all you can do is hear me right now because you're signed in on the phone, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'll put you in a room now, so it's just gonna be silent, but we haven't forgotten about you, okay?
Okay then, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Where did he go? Brian Wainsley?
Bart. Yes, go for the back on.
All right, sir, I need you to come to the phone for your court hearing.
I didn't hear you. Hello,
I know,
hello.
you wanna find your phone for your court hearing. All right, pick it up, sir.
Okay, yeah, I was just about to get the charge.
Now calling matter versus Brian Wainsley. This is ticket number 433-067. This is one count open intoxicant passenger. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Mr. Wainsley was to have done 25 hours of community service and pay a $200 fine. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Byron Wansley.
Thank you, Mr. Wansley. I'm pleased to announce the defendant's completed all his community service. I believe the court should have proof of that in the file.
I don't have any community service. Who did you send the community service to, sir?
Love and kindness, ma'am.
I know, but who did you send this community service being completed to?
Well, I have papers right here. The lady told me she was gonna fax it to the court with the holiday and it being Friday. You know, it was on a Friday. I didn't think to call, but she told me she faxed it over. I didn't have no control over the papers when I gave them to her.
Can you send me that document right now if I give you my cell number?
Who, me?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Your Honor, could you recall the case? I'm going to give the defendant my cell number. If you access the chat, I'm going to send my cell by chat, okay?
Okay.
You not get to the chat, Mr. Wansley? Wansley?
Yes, Wansley. I see you here. I'm in the chat. Okay, you want me to send the picture?
Nope. You're going to send it to my cell phone, please, and thank you. I'll get it to the right place.
Attorney Baldwin, he ain't paid the whole fine either. Mr. Winsley, you still have to pay the rest of the fine. You only paid $50 today.
See, that's what I was saying, ma'am. I didn't know that I had a time frame. I thought when I paid it, it was over.
Hold on. This is your second adjournment.
I didn't hear
This is
you.
not your first adjournment. This is your second time coming to the court for a review.
I
So
thought
you
I was
came back-
finished.
Hold on. Stop talking. Listen for a moment. You came back in November. On November the 9th, 2022, I did a review and I asked you to have all this stuff together. So you had some extra time, but it seems like you need to complete the rest of the payment. How long is that gonna take you?
Maybe a couple weeks, ma'am. I just honestly forgot about it, ma'am. No disrespect to the court.
Yeah, to do both. All right,
It was just an honest mistake, Your Honor, and I just had. That's why I paid everything I
they
had.
reduced it to a disorderly conduct, so you gotta take care of this.
Yes, because I got a CDL Class A, ma'am, and it's really affecting me. This is supposed to be first priority. I just remember you told me to stay out of trouble for a year and pay the $200. I thought it was like done when I paid it because I've been out of trouble for always.
I got you, sir. Hold on a second. I'm trying to find you a date a little time away from you. Okay.
Question to my lawyer: did you get my community service papers?
Yeah.
Yeah. See the remarks.
All right. I'm gonna adjourn this until February 17th, 2023. That gives you a month, sir. A month to pay the fine, okay?
Okay. No problem.
I'll see you then at 8:45 for a review. Hopefully I'll be closing out this case at that time, okay?
Okay, let me write down the date just in case I don't get the mail. You said what date?
It's on February 17th
17th. Okay, 2023.
at 8:45 a.m., okay, sir?
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Okay.
All right. Are we ready on Mr. Walton?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Am I free to hang up?
You're free to hang up. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am, you're interrupting
Yes,
my court hearings. How may I help you?
Oh, I thought they had called me. I don't know what's going on with this Zoom thing. Keep pushing me on
Did
the screen
not
here.
call you. We have you in the breakout room waiting for the attorney to talk to you. You gotta exercise some patience. I have a ton of people on today, okay?
Okay. Put me back in the break house then. I don't know how I keep getting to these folks. You gonna get somebody.
Was that Walker County? Keep moving on.
All right, now calling the matter of people versus Eric Walton. This is case number Z808514. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. P1253424. One count of violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2, disregard traffic control device. Count 3, driving wrong way on a one-way street. Ticket number P1252722. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rabina Mustafa, P51967, Detroit Justice Center on behalf of my client, Mr. Eric Walton. And he is having trouble hearing because there's noise in his background. So that's why you see the Coke machine, but he will show his face on camera. I just asked.
No, I was about to ask Attorney Mustafa. Mr. Walton, can you state your name for the record, please? Unmute yourself. We muted you because there was some background noise.
Eric Walton.
Okay, you can put yourself back on mute and then listen to the conversation, okay? How are we proceeding today, council?
Your Honor, Attorney Jansen from the city did make an offer to have my client to plead to driving while impaired in exchange for a dismissal. Well, that would be on the Z ticket, and then also in exchange for dismissal of the remaining counts.
All right, is that how you want to move forward? You want to take advantage of that offer, Mr. Walton? Unmute yourself.
Can you say that one more time, ma'am?
Yes, I said, do you want to take advantage of the offer? If you plead to one count of driving while impaired, the remaining tickets will be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
You said that one more time?
Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date on or about of October the 21st of 2021. At that time, were you driving a vehicle in the area of Intervale and Cloverdale in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you operating while under the influence of alcohol?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And that impaired your ability to be able to drive on the road correctly, correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor. May I voir dire my client just a little bit about this consequences of this plea?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Martin, have you and I discussed that eviction could lead to a temporary suspension of your license by the Secretary of State?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that consequence will occur if the court accepts your guilty plea and you are still pleading guilty knowing that?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Are you satisfied, attorney?
Very much.
The court is satisfied as well. Is there stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed as a part of the plea. Sir, you're gonna have to have a sentencing date, so you're gonna have to come back, okay? The probation department is going to find out like what services, if any, that you need, and they're gonna have to come back to a court. So I'm gonna set this for a new date on February 24th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna have your bond continue. Sir, you have to call the phone number. I know you're at work, so I'm gonna give it to your attorney and she'll give it to you. It's 313-965-3414.
313-965-3414.
That's right. Have him call that so he can set up his time so that he can get his information taken care of, okay?
Okay, February 24th, Your Honor. Yes, I do have that.
All right, fantastic. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. All right, thank you, Mr. Walton. Al Washington. Cameron Williams.
Yes.
Got on now, Mr. Washington.
Okay.
Hold on a minute. Oh, that's fine. All right, I can't do it. Hold on tight. You got Mr. Washington. All right. Cameron Williams.
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, sir. I got it. Never mind. Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Cameron Williams. This is ticket P 1334119. Mr. Maurice Williams, I can hear you talking. So you just interrupted me while I was talking. Yeah. Ticket number P 1334196, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. This is the date and time set for a trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, Mr. Williams, state your full name for the record.
Yes, sir. Cameron Williams.
Thank you. Your Honor, I just received an email from Miss Jansen because I had forwarded to her photocopies of the defendant's motor vehicle insurance. She finds it to be valid and current, and has agreed to dismiss this case. I will stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation here. Thank you.
All right. At this time, with that being said, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Williams, you're all set. Make sure to always keep all your documents valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. You have a great day.
All right.
Al Washington,
Yes, I'm here.
now calling the matters of the people versus Al Rodney Washington. This is ticket number P 1277945, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P 1277971, accident failed, stop, clear, distance ahead. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. Washington, state your name, please.
Al Washington.
Your Honor, the matter is here for show cause, so for arraignment purposes, please accept a not guilty plea here from the defendant, and we would inquire as to whether there's an offer in the file.
There is not an offer in the file, and that's because he was in the breakout room. We thought, a waiting room. I thought he had already been spoken to about it.
Yeah, you know what? The only thing that on the docket was the no insurance, so we had planned to give a plea to that. So we would ask for a recall, and I'd try to get Mr. Jansen to give an offer. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Washington, I'm gonna put you back into a breakout room. He's gonna try and get an offer for you. I'm gonna add it to the docket, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So I ask you to report, go to court. Attorney Martell, you return.
Good morning, Judge. My humblest apologies. I had a in-person matter down in Sixth Circuit.
It's okay, I got plenty of work. You need to talk to your client real quick, or you need me to just bring him out?
No, my client we're prepared to proceed. I would like to speak to the city attorney if available.
Okay, fantastic. I'll put you in a room with her right now, okay? If she's on. If she's not, we'll
Thank
get you put together with her, okay? So
Thank you
just
very
hold
much.
tight. Put you on mute, okay?
Will do. Thank you.
All right. All right, Bossman, we'll continue on. Yeah. Walter. Walter.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please?
Yeah, give me 2 seconds.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Ian Walter. This is ticket 712119. This is one count failed to display a valid operator's license. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel. Where are you going, Mr. Walker? Walter,
Huh?
where you going?
Oh,
You
I'm
all the
stepping up.
light, you dark now, I can see. you.
No, I'm stepping downstairs because my kids they watching cartoons and I'm coming downstairs. So no background noise.
May I please support Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Ian Walter.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant presents with a shiny new license. He just was issued in June 8th of 2022 and is valid until 2025. I've sent a photocopy of that to Ms. Jansen. I'm assuming that she doesn't have an objection and that the policy would allow for the dismissal today for compliance. And I stipulate the probable cause for that. Thank you.
All right, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation and sent it over to court, counsel, the court is going to grant that request and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Walter, make sure you always have your license up to date, valid, and in your vehicle or your wallet, okay?
Okay, I will, yeah.
All right, there's nothing further, you're all set.
Thank you.
Derek Walls?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter, oh, you gotta sit down. You going to the spot? I know. Now calling the matter of the people versus Derek Allen Walls. This is ticket P 75772. This is one count of disorderly conduct. We are here today for a review in this matter. Mr. Walls was to have done 20 hours of community service in order for this to be dismissed. Appearances for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Walls, announce your name to the court, please.
Derek Allen Walls.
All right. I'm currently in receipt of community service. Is this a referral? Okay. So you went and did 20 hours, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. Start at 11 a.m. All right. This being said, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice based on the delayed sentencing agreed upon, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your
What
Honor.
event was this that you stayed at, Mr. Walls? I gotta ask.
Excuse me?
I said, what type of event was it that you did?
Urinating in public.
It was a what?
Urinating in public.
No. What type of community service? I apologize. What type of community service event did you participate in?
I was helping the food, passing out food to the people at the church.
All right. All right, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
All set.
All right, Mr. Walls, you're all set. You can log off.
Okay.
You found somebody else?
Now that I know, I can look. So Can I just get rid of the officers?
Yes, you can tell the officers to go.
Okay, thank
You're welcome.
you. And I will ask around, see if anybody.
See if anybody else is. She-
Coming back to me, yes, please.
Yes, it's coming back to you. Push out how far?
Hello.
Attorney Jansen, Attorney Martell needs to talk to you. Can I put you in the breakout room with him, please?
Yes. Sorry.
All right,
Which
hold it
attorney?
down. Attorney Martell, Edward Martell.
Oh,
He's
yes.
here today at Watson. Okay,
Thank you.
you are very welcome. I'm gonna put you in room number 2.
Thank you, Judge.
You're very
Great,
welcome.
thanks.
All right. Okay.
Also, I was just wondering if any officers are still here. Your
I
Honor.
think all of the officers should be gone because on the other officers, I let them go if it wasn't,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, good to know. Thank you.
I do need another offer though, but I'm sure he'll talk to you, okay?
I sent an email.
Okay, I know y'all on top of us, I ain't gonna worry about it. Honesty Walker.
Hello.
Hello. You ready, Ms. Walker?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of people versus Honesty Walker. This is ticket P 1278394. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 1278391. This is count 1 to 5 miles over proposed speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, please state your full name for the record.
Honesty Walker.
Thank you, Judge. We're here for show cause, so for arraignment purposes, we ask that a not guilty plea be entered for the defendant, and we could use a pretrial date by way of Zoom, please.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter, I'm gonna enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. I'm gonna set this matter for a pretrial on the date of March 13th, ma'am. That gives you plenty of time to do everything Attorney Baldwin has told you to do, okay?
Okay.
8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Bond $0 personal. You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Your Honor, may I briefly speak with my client in the breakout?
You may, I'm gonna put you into breakout room number, he's in number 11, so I'll put you there.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. You see it? You gotta actually join it for me, Attorney Martell.
Got it. Thank you, Judge.
You have to listen to.
Deja Washington.
Yes.
Turn on your camera for me, please. All right, now calling the matter of People versus Deja Washington. This is ticket number P863192, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling tickets number SP130521113. This is one count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP130520071. One count improper plate. Ticket number SP130520072. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number SP130522101. One count improper plate. Count 2 on that same ticket is open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Uh-oh, that may have been the same ticket. Nope, that's a different ticket. Count 3 on that same ticket is failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP130521111. One count improper plate. And ticket number SP130521112. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name, ma'am.
Deja Washington.
Thank you, Judge. I think it's apparent that there's something curious about the way these citations were written up. I'd ask that the matter be set, please, and thank you for a waiver trial by way of Zoom.
All right. The court is going to grant that request. You won't be the attorney on it, but note that it appears that this is the same incident and it got entered into the computer 3 different times.
Understood, Your Honor. So there's civil infractions and misdemeanors for the same infraction. At least we could get the officer here to attempt a resolution, if any. And so for that reason, we'd ask that the matter be set for a waiver trial, but we'd also ask that any offer be extended until that date.
Oh, absolutely. We will do that, okay? Ms.
Thank you.
Washington, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Washington, did you have an opportunity to talk with Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for a bench trial on the date of March 24th, and it's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay? We're gonna figure
Okay.
this out. It appears that this ticket was written in our system a few times, because it only is one incident that you're aware of. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll figure it out at that date and time, okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Bond is at $0 personal. Attorney Martell, did y'all figure something out for that case?
Yes, Judge, we are ready. Thank you.
You're welcome. Jerome Watson. Give me 1 second on him, okay? I'm gonna put both of y'all on mute until I'm ready.
Thank you.
I got like 3 files, I got 4 files left. None of them are keep going to wait with me.
Can I see, do you have page 2?
These are the files I have. I'm sorry, Attorney Martell.
Yes, Judge.
All right, sorry about that. I was on mute.
No worries.
I called all these cases. I'll call them. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jerron Watson. This is ticket 731686. One count of the marijuana possession, cultivate, deliver more than twice the legal limit. View ticket 530-84119. One count of loitering. Ticket P 1321810. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Ticket number P 1209782. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive a registered untitled vehicle. Ticket P 1252534. One count, drove while license suspended. Ticket P 1325089. One count, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this most honorable court, Edward Martell, P 85051 of the Perkins Law Group, on behalf of Mr. Jerron Watson. Mr. Watson, please identify yourself for the record.
Jerron Watson.
Thank you, sir.
How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Judge, I've had an opportunity to speak with sister counsel. We've reached a resolution. My client is going to be pleading guilty to open intox or alcohol passenger, and the rest is to be the remaining counts to be dismissed.
And sir, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
Did y'all handle the marijuana ticket as well, Attorney Martell?
Judge, we discussed, the discussion was that all the remainder of the tickets are going to be dismissed.
All right, I just want to make sure. Sir, Mr. Watson, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or threaten you in any type of way, sir?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, Mr. Watson, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of March 18th, 2022. At that time, were you driving a BMW in the area of Michigan Avenue and Cottage Street in the city of Detroit?
No, I was a passenger.
All right. Oh, and while you were a passenger in that vehicle, was there open alcohol, sir?
Yes.
All right. And this is all in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
I am, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
All right. At this time, the court is going to enter a plea to open alcohol, motor vehicle passenger. The remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, my fine for this ticket is $240.
Okay.
Judge, may my client have 14 days, Judge? Please and thank you.
I'll give him 30 days to be able to pay that. Will that be enough time for you, Mr. Watson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna give you until February 17th, 2023 to have that $240 paid, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Always a pleasure. Have a great day.
Same here. All right, you too. Have a good day. Is your name Mr. Wade? Is this David Wade?
Yes, it is.
Okay, sir. Did you log off by accident?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back in there. We're getting through. Just be patient. I'm gonna be to you soon, okay?
No problem. I got you.
Ready to continue, Your Honor.
Attorney Bachman, can I ask you a question really quickly?
Yes?
If someone pled already and they would like to withdraw their plea, but the case is closed, do they need to hire an attorney so that they can be able to take care of that? And they paid the fine.
They paid the, well, would they have to hire an attorney? No, but it would certainly help because, it's probably easiest to get that done by way of a stipulation than just withdraw the plea. But they could make a motion if they're representing him pro per, they can make a motion outlining why they want to withdraw the plea, the reason why it wasn't necessarily voluntary, and do it that way. Or if the court would accept an oral motion from them, they would have to just place on the record, why the plea was ill-advised, you know what I mean? Why it was not in their best interest to make the plea. And then it would be discretionary. I have a stipulation from the prosecutor to dismiss the cases against Mr. Washington.
All right, I'm gonna recall those matters.
Thank you.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Al Washington. This is ticket P 1277971. Taxman failed. Stop clear distance ahead. Also calling ticket P 1277945. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you state your name? Unmute your device.
Al Washington?
Your Honor, we've previously been arraigned. The defendant is here for that purpose. I do have an email that I received from Ms. Jansen, Corporation Counsel. It is entitled Al Washington dismissed, and it indicates that there's copied, the court is copied, and it says, please dismiss his misdemeanor show causes on the basis of a companion matter. For that reason, I would stipulate to probable cause for dismissals of these cases today. Thank you.
All right, with that being said, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice per the prosecutor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Washington.
Thank you, Judge. Attorney.
Yes, you're all set.
Oh, I'm all set. Okay, and that's it. All right, thank you.
Yeah. Be close. Oh, so it's on the stage. Right.
Maurice Williams. Now calling the matter of the people versus Maurice Williams. This is ticket SP 136599791. This is one count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Maurice Williams.
Your Honor, the defendant is here for the purpose of pretrial. Judge, we are continuing not guilty plea. Or actually, we're here for an arraignment, so we're going to ask that a not guilty plea be entered today on his behalf. Indicate our willingness to appear next at a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right. This time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you
Yes.
swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of March 24th. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is gonna be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're gonna zoom in on that day, okay?
March 24th.
March 24th. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. I'll see you back March 24th for your trial.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Bye.
David Wade. You got two different David Wade? You got David Wade and this came, you got one with Wade. Okay, let me figure out which one is David Wade. Oh. You know, other David Wade.
All right. David Wade. Which one is David Wade?
Dana Wade, yes.
Damon or David?
Dana, D-A-N-A.
We have Dana and a David.
Okay, so you're Dana Wade.
Yes.
Okay, let me rename you. It was my fault, because I thought you said David.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Wade, I need you to take off your hat if it's safe for you for court, sir.
I don't have a hat on. Sorry about that.
Not you, Mr. Dana Wade. All right. David Wade, D-A-V-I-D Wade.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right, sir. You in an area where it's a lot, you're like going in and out of my scope for some reason. Take off your rag too. Reset everything in a moment. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus David Wade. This is ticket number SP 1360729. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
David Wade.
Thank you, Judge. We're asking that the matter be set for a waiver trial by way of Zoom, please, and thank you. The defendant, in all likelihood, is going to come back in compliance. He has been advised.
All right, sir, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of March 24th, 2023. That's going to be at 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in that day. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
All right, you too, ma'am. Appreciate it.
No problem. All right, get back to work.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Buffy.
Ariana, Yarborough?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Ariana Yarborough. This is ticket number SP 1365169. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2 is no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant, Ms. Yarborough. Your name, please.
Ariana Yarbrough.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is here and has sent to my attention valid documents. They are valid and current. I've forwarded those to Corporation Counsel, and I expect by way of their policy, they would stipulate to dismiss these cases today, and I'm stipulating the probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
You're welcome. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Yarborough, please keep everything up to date and in your vehicle, okay, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. All right, ma'am, you can get back to work.
Thank you. I just have one question. I have another court date for the same thing coming up in March. Should I do I just come to that one as well?
Yes.
Okay.
You said it's in March? Yeah, and just have your documentation. Usually I pull them, but we're a little busy today, so just come for that date, okay? And we'll take care of it that time.
Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. Dana Wade? All right. You're gonna mute yourself, sir. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Dana Wade. This is ticket 357601. One count, no operator's license on person. Then ticket P 1145060, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Dana Wade.
Thank you. Mr. Wade, do you have a valid driver's license today?
No.
So I have not had an opportunity to discuss with Mr. Wade any perspective offer.
Mr. Wade, why did you come out of the breakout room earlier then? Was there a reason?
Just trying to figure out what's going on. I don't, you know.
Okay. So
this
when you
phone
do that, that lets me know that when you came out the breakout room, I thought you were ready. So I put you into a different room. Now you have to go into the breakout rooms to be able to have him talk to you. So that's why it's important that you kind of follow what we got going on. Okay?
Okay.
Put you in breakout room. I'm put them in 12, even though I know it's not that many people. That way I keep everybody together.
Understood.
Join number 12.
Mr. Weems has not been advised as well. Mr. Weems, can you go back into the breakout?
He came out. Yeah, I don't know. He logged off and came back in. So.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Weems, you gotta wait. I saw that you were asking for help, but I was on the record. I said I had 30 people today. It takes some time when I have all that people. You just have to be patient, okay? All right, I'm gonna put him in room somewhere close to there. 11.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let me do these other folks. I'm pretty sure I have a phone on here too. That's not. All right, Keisha Wilson.
Yes, Kaisha.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Keisha Wilson. I apologize. Wilson is the last name. Ticket P 1185321. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 1147482. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please.
Hi, Kaisha Wilson.
Good morning, Mr. Wilson. Thank you for being so patient today. For our arraignment purposes, we are not guilty today, and we're asking that the matter be set for a pretrial. I'm also informing the court that the defendant has some matters that are already scheduled for show cause on 2 dates in May, I believe May 15th and May 6th.
The 9th.
Or the 9th, I'm sorry. Would it please the court please to bring those forward to the next action date, the show causes, as well as the instant cases, so that they can be consolidated on the same date. The defendant does have some civil infractions, and she's been advised as to how to make a motion to set those aside.
Is Miss Wilson gonna come to court? Because one of the reasons why she has show causes is because she failed to come to court.
She's
Yes,
contending that
I'm
that
going to
was a
come to court.
clerical error.
It
Your Honor.
was. It definitely
Okay.
was.
All right, we're gonna have you come back on March 13th, at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
We'll set your bond at $0 personal on these matters, okay? I'll see you then on all your matters. We'll pull your
Okay.
other matters too, okay?
Is that via Zoom or do I come in person that day?
Via Zoom. Everything is
Okay.
via Zoom still, okay, Miss Wilson?
Okay, thank you.
You're all set, Miss Wilson. We'll see you back on March 13th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Kaylin Wheeler?
Hello?
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kaylin Wheeler. This is ticket P 1271623. This is count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
It please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Kaylin Wheeler.
Judge, the defendant presents today with valid documents. She has sent those to my attention and I have forwarded those to Corporation Counsel. The document is a driver's license, which was just issued on December 7th of 2022, as well as an insurance certificate in the defendant's name for the vehicle in question. That document is also valid until April 25th of 2023. Attesting to these documents as an officer of the court, asking the court to consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice, and I would stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
All right, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. We want to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Wheeler, make sure you keep your license up to date and valid, and make sure that you always have insurance on your vehicle when you're driving it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Mark Williams?
Yes.
All right, sir, can you take your hat off for me, please?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Sorry.
All right. You're all right.
I just came from outside.
I know. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mark Williams, Anthony Williams. This is ticket P 1238648. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number P 1238645. Count 1. Oh, these are all civil infractions, so I'm not gonna call that ticket. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. In your name, sir?
Mark Williams.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant is here for the purpose of a show cause. He inadvertently missed his last court date. We're asking that a not guilty plea be entered here today for arraignment purposes and the matter be set for a pretrial.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Pretrial, please, and thank you, Judge. I've advised the defendant on how to come back in compliance. He's going to do that by his next action date.
All right, fantastic. Thank you so much. Sir, your next action date is going to be March 13th. March 13th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, sir, we'll see you then, okay?
Okay. March 13th.
March 13th. Yep,
Okay,
March
thank you.
13th at
All right.
8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay, Mr. Williams?
Thank you.
Every minute plus no interest for up to.
connected to audio. All right. She was in here before. I don't know. Pearl Williams, ma'am, this is court live
Yeah.
on YouTube. You can't be lying down. You gotta sit up. Phone number 1637. What's your name?
Venus Young.
Your Honor, I haven't had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Young. If you could place her in the breakout room.
I know Miss Young, I put you into a breakout room. You just gotta stay there, all right, until Attorney Baughman comes to you. Okay?
Oh, okay, I'll just say that I had accidentally turned it off by hitting something. So,
It's all right.
yeah, I hit. Okay. You
We
gonna
got
send me back to the break room?
I am. It's gonna be quiet. Just hold tight, okay?
Okay.
Pearlie Williams.
Yes, it's me.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Pearlie Williams. This is ticket P1220109. Ma'am, I gotta see you. That ticket was a ticket that's in default already. Ticket P1269893, count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number P1220105. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Pearlie Mae Toya Williams.
Thank you, Judge. These matters are here for arraignment, so we're pleading not guilty today. Ask that the matters be set for a waiver trial by Zoom.
All right. If you would like a waiver trial, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial or a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of March 24th, 2023. And that's going to be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're going to zoom in on that day. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. And I'll see you on March 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, remember it's going to be court too, ma'am, next time.
They're gonna be what?
I said it's court next time, so be ready. I can see you, and so can YouTube world, okay?
It's regular court?
No, just court via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in, okay?
So I gotta do the same number I zoomed in today?
Same number you did today, okay? You probably don't want to have a hat on, though. I didn't even catch it was a hat until now, so no hats during court next time, okay?
You said March 24th at 9?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Dwayne Edward Woods. This is ticket number SP 1054765. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 108388461. No operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 108388462. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 108388463. No insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1177421. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2 on that ticket is violation of the city marijuana code. Count 3, nope. Ticket number SP 1229244. Count one, drove while license suspended, and ticket number 2070666741, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman, on behalf of the defendant, would you announce your name, please? Mr. Woods?
Woods, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Say your name for the record, please.
Dwayne Edward Woods.
How are we proceeding, council?
Judge, we want to waive a trial date by way of Zoom, please. We're here for a pre-trial.
All right, if that's the case, Mr. Woods, stop walking for 1 second, okay?
Okay,
All right,
if I
can you
keep,
raise your right hand for me, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I can't say it one more time.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
yes,
And it's my understanding that you would like a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set it for a bench trial date on the date of March 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m. That's via Zoom. Same way you zoomed in today, okay?
Okay,
Buying the set at $0 person, okay? We'll see you then.
thank you.
You're welcome. We still got quite a few people. All right, Attorney Bachman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 folks left. We can do it.
Attorney Boffman, I can review documents with Deanna Williams if you'd like, since I only received.
Did you get those? I tried to send them again. I think I sent them once to your.
I just got one
insurance, you
photo
said?
and it was just the insurance.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just send each one individually to your cell phone now, if that's, I mean, to your email. If that'll work for you. Hold on.
Thanks.
Not to finish, last name is Williams. Okay, I think I just sent the insurance again, but I'll send the registration now. Registration. And there's also a defective equipment receipt.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Please let
I'll
me
be
know
right
if you
back.
need anything else.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, did they call me yet? Because the thing said tap to speak.
The super trickster is in. Miss Willis, Bridget?
Yes.
Oh, your kids are beautiful.
This is Angela Walker Kelly.
This is, I'm on, I don't know what's going on.
Stand by, ma'am.
Because the other person, hold
Let me
on.
get on the camera. Hold
Call
on.
number
I
7676.
don't
We
know.
can only talk to one person at a time. And since you can't see the courtroom, we ask for somebody else to speak. So just hold tight. Miss Willis Bridges.
Yes.
Okay.
Did
So
you
I'm
talk
going
to
back
the
to the break
attorney
room.
already?
I can't hear you. Somebody else
Okay,
just
all
talking.
right. Don't worry. I'm gonna get rid of her for a second because she's not listening to anything I'm saying. All right, Miss Willis Bridges.
Yes.
All right, did you talk to the attorney?
Yes.
Here we are. Sorry, cats. I guess this is. I know, because I was trying to see if he did the offer. I don't know.
Mel, I need you to sit up, please. Please sit up. Come on. What's your hair? We gotta do something good.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Sherelle Willis Bridges. This is ticket number SP 1349848. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3 of that same ticket is improper equipment. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes. I didn't. Someone.
It's okay,
Oh,
Mr.
Lord.
Baldwin accidentally left us. I'm sorry, Mr. Willis.
Supreme, you see, no team of super thinkers will ever find me.
All right, hold on. I know you with your kids. Just hold tight, okay, ma'am? Ms. Willis and Ms. Wall, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
What happened?
Your Honor, did Ms. Jansen happen to leave any offers? She chatted me several offers, but they went off the screen when she left the meeting.
Let me see who I have. I have one for Deanna Williams. She's a dismissal.
Okay. Bring her out.
Yeah, well, I think it's on. Yeah, she got a letter.
Transfer matter set for today based on registration. Repair documentation.
Yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, like 6. 6, 9.
Deanna Williams, can you turn on your camera for me, please?
Okay, can you shush, please?
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Deanna Williams. This is ticket P 1333796. Count 1, insufficient or defective lights. Ticket P 1333772. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P 1331379. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, expired plates. And ticket number P 1331383. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. I'm sorry, Miss Williams. All right, Miss Williams, I gotta put you in the breakout, waiting room. Hold tight, okay?
Okay.
You're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
All right, Attorney Bachman.
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, thank you for your patience.
It's always a pleasure to serve you.
Flattery. James Washington.
Yes.
All right.
All right, wait a minute.
All right, Mr. Washington, can I see you, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now calling the matter of People versus James Washington. This is ticket SP 136666121. Improper plates. Count 2 on that ticket is drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3 is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Good afternoon. State your name, please, sir.
James Washington.
That the defendant's going to waive any further rights to any more hearings or trials. He's going to plead guilty. There's a recommendation, and we would stipulate the probable cause as to matters being dismissed here.
Okay, and what's the recommendation so I can know?
He's pleading to count 1, improper plates on SP 1366612, count 1.
All right, sir, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Washington, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
All right, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of June 23rd, 2022. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Rouge Park and West Auto Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did that vehicle have improper plates on it at the time, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter in a plea of improper plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60.
Okay, is that going to be enough time, sir?
Yeah.
Are you employed, sir?
Yes, I am.
Okay, you gotta make that some time, okay?
Yes,
That's gonna
ma'am.
be until March. I'll give you to the end of March, March 31st. That gives you a little bit more time, okay?
Okay, that'd be great.
All right.
Thank
Thanks
you.
fine by then, sir. All right, have a good day.
You too. Sir.
You can sign off. You're all set.
Okay, can I speak to the lawyer? Well, I would get paperwork for this?
No, so you have to go online, sir, and you have to either physically come down here to 36th District Court and pay it, or go online at 36districtcourt.org and pay it there, okay?
Okay, so would I take one of these tickets that I have with me?
Yes, take the ticket with you, and they'll be able to, or you just bring your license down and they'll be able to look up the case.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome. Venus Young?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Venus Young. This is ticket SP 1366877. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name, please?
Venus Young.
Thank you. Ms. Young is going to waive any rights to further hearings or trials. This is here for pretrial. There's an offer that if she pled to count ending in 8771, that being allowing an unlicensed driver to drive here today, that matter would be held for delayed sentence, and the remaining two matters here would be dismissed upon payment of the fine by the defendant. She's going to waive rights here today to plead guilty. Thank you.
Is that right, Ms. Young? You want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I will.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Young, did you have an opportunity to talk with an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
I pleaded guilty of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
I pleading guilty because you are guilty.
I didn't hear you.
I said, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 23rd of 2022 last year. Were you did you own a Pontiac vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle, ma'am?
At the time, I didn't know that he didn't have any license. I was sick that evening, and all I did was wanted to go home. I did not ask him, did he have.
Okay, so one of the rules for this particular plea is that you have to know that the person was unlicensed. So would you like a bench or a jury trial in this matter? A bench trial is a trial before myself as a trier and finder of fact. A jury trial is before 6 members of the community of the city of Detroit, and they would decide based on those same facts and the order and the law that I give to them. Which one would you like, ma'am?
Judge?
I would like to go under you.
All right, what Attorney Balkman?
Could I bother the witness maybe a couple of questions I could shore up the factual basis here? I'm not sure. I think she was about to say something that would have given a positive factual basis. May I ask just a couple of questions, please?
Yeah.
Okay, Attorney Balkman, you can try.
Now, Ms. Young, you indicated that on the record that you didn't know that the person who was driving that evening didn't have a driver's license. Is that right?
That's right.
And it is in fact true, ma'am, that you didn't ask whether that person had a valid driver's license that night?
I did not ask.
And that even though you weren't aware that you will admit that you had an obligation to know whether that person had a valid driver's license. Is that correct?
Correct.
And you did, in fact, give that person your car intentionally without asking whether they had a license, correct?
Correct.
So it makes sense that you're still liable that they didn't have a license, even though you didn't ask, correct?
Correct.
And you will admit that you should have asked that night, correct?
Correct.
And you got a ticket for that.
Correct.
I'm satisfied with the factual basis, Your Honor.
Attorney Balkman.
I'm her attorney, Your Honor. I am satisfied with that as a factual basis.
All right, court satisfied as well. I'm going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Absolutely, yes, so stipulated, thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, this is under a delayed sentence. Are you currently employed or have a source of income?
Yes, ma'am. I get a disability.
That's what I thought. All right, ma'am. I need you to not allow anybody else to drive your vehicle for the next 3 months. If you don't.
I'm not driving, Your Honor.
All right. If you don't, in 3 months, when you come back, I'll dismiss this case and I won't make you pay any money, okay? But you can't let anybody drive that vehicle for the next 3 months, okay?
I thank you. I thank you, Judge.
So your review date is going to be on April the 17th, the same way you call in that date at 8:45 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
Ronnie Young?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. House counsel, you okay? You need me to?
I'm still here, Judge. I'm ready.
You sure? You need a
Yes.
moment?
Thank you for asking, but yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ronnie Young Jr. This is ticket number P1308634. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please.
Ronnie Young.
Thank you. The defendant's going to waive rights to any hearing and plead guilty. He's here for arraignment, so for that purpose, we'll not guilty, but who wants to plead guilty, there's a recommendation that if he pled to the improper plate that the open alcohol as a passenger, that the other cases would be dismissed here.
He doesn't have that.
No, I'm sorry. My notes are
Drive
back.
unregistered untitled vehicle, drove while license not valid, no insurance misdemeanor.
It's an plea to the improper plate. That would be count 3, no insurance. Reduced to improper plate. Sorry for the confusion.
It's okay. All right, so you want to take advantage of that today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand. It's okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am. No, Your
Are you
Honor.
pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in either one of these matters? You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding everything, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of February 1st of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Greenfield and Pickford Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
While
Honor.
you're driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge on count 3 of improper plates. The remaining counts 1 and 2 will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. Typically, you have 30 to 60 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am. It should.
Which one do you want, 30 or 60 days? Sorry.
60 days.
All right, I'm gonna have to do no later than March 17th, 2023, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Good luck to you. Thank you for dressing so nice for court today too, okay?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Angela Wynn,
Yes.
is this head garment that you have on for religious purposes, sir? Sir,
Hello?
hello. Is this headpiece you have on for religious purposes?
You want me to take it off?
Yes, that's what I'm asking. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Angela Ween. This is ticket SP 129650. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while licensed not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Angela Wings.
Judge, if the defendant's gonna plead guilty here today, he's waiving rights. He's gonna plead to 1 count of improper plate.
All right, is that the case, sir?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, sir, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of January 16th, thank you, 2022. Were you in the area of Emory and Irvington Streets in the city of Detroit driving a BMW?
Yes.
And did your plates, were they, did you have no car insurance at the time?
I had insurance. No.
Repeat the answer, please.
Did you have car insurance, sir? At that time? Were your plates proper?
Yeah.
Did you have a valid driver's license?
No.
All right. Counsel, will you go with the driver's license not being valid at the time?
Yes, if it would be reduced to improper plates. I tried to explain to Mr. Williams.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Well,
Yes. Improper plates. Yes.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Wims, but I asked you a question about, so I thought it was under the no insurance. So
No, I didn't hear
sometimes you. I know, Mr. Wims. Do you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
All right. Did you have improper plates on your vehicle at that time?
Yes.
All right,
That's
that's
fine.
my counsel.
I am. Thank you. Stipulate to probable cause for the matters being dismissed here.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of improper plates. I'm going to dismiss the remaining count. Sir, my fine is $200. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
Can I get time served for being on the phone so long?
No. Listen, Mr. Wims, I still got a whole nother courtroom to do. So no.
Okay. Okay.
How long do you need? 30 or 60 days?
30.
All right. I'll give you until February 17th, 2023. Good try, sir. Good try.
Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You know, Mr. Weaver is for the applicant. They haven't texted.
Okay. Sherelle Willis Bridges.
Yes.
All right. Turn on your camera for me, please.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Sherelle Denise Willis Bridges. This is ticket P1278316. 1 count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Sherelle was.
All right, how we proceeding, counsel?
Believe we're waiving right to plead guilty here, Judge. Let me check my notes one moment. Yeah, the defendant's going to plead guilty to the no insurance count, and that would be reduced to improper plate.
She just has a drove while license suspended, Miss.
So that was, hold on, let me check the offer from the prosecutor, one moment.
Did you have a speeding ticket attached and paid the speeding ticket?
I don't even remember, but I remember I had got a letter in the mail stating that my license was not suspended anymore. So
Valid license? Let me see.
I'm confused about that because I did receive something in the mail.
Add Ms. Williams Bridges, Willis Bridges, excuse me, as a plea.
Let me see. You said you have a valid license now, Ms. Bridges?
Yes, I do.
On the docket, we have 2 counts. One is no insurance, the other is improper equipment.
Ms. Willis Bridges, that's not what I have for her. I have drove while license suspended and the other one's not on the docket. It's in default.
I had received a letter. I gotta find it, but I received a letter stating that my license was not suspended anymore.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
I don't have it. I have to find it.
We're gonna run a, can we run a SOS? We'll find
That's
out.
what I'm having her do. Hold
Right?
on a second.
I don't know what I did with that paper. Cause it was a while ago, like.
Ma'am, did you say you had an insurance certificate valid today?
No, I don't.
All right.
All right, it does say her license is valid. Okay, so at this time, court has pulled her SOS saying that she now has a valid license. Court's going to dismiss this ticket for the SOS.
Thank you.
No, ma'am, slow down. They just printed out your whole driving record for me. No, you gotta slow down or else you ain't gonna be able to ever have any decent insurance in the city of Detroit. Just so you know.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. There's a speeding ticket that's still out there. It's in default, so you gotta take care of that, okay, ma'am? All right. That concludes this hearing.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I speak? Oh no. You Harry? I'm sorry.
I'm Harry, yes. Can I give you my phone number? You can call me at your leisure. So we can finish the docket. If you call me about 3 o'clock, I'll be free to talk to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'll send you my number in the chat, ma'am, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. There it goes.
Okay.
Call me later.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, good luck.
Bye.
Roberto Winona.
Yes, I'm here.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Roberto Ramona. This is ticket number P1146441. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number P1307634. One count drive while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good afternoon, rather. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
My name is Roberto Wayana.
Your Honor, Mr. Wayana is here for arraignment. He's pleading not guilty. He asks that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Waiver trial, please, Your Honor.
All right, sir, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, indeed.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it. It's going to be via Zoom on the date of March 24th, 2023 It's gonna be at 9 a.m. All right, via Zoom, okay?
Okay. Excellent.
Bond set at $0 person. I'll see you then, unless you paid some money. You ain't had to pay any money, did you?
No, I don't believe so.
All right, I'll see you then, sir, okay?
Okay. See you soon. I just leave, right?
Just leave, you're all set. Deanna Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Deanna Williams. This is ticket P 1331379. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, expired plates. Ticket number P 13337722. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count ticket number P 1333796. Insufficient or defective light. And ticket P 1331383. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name for the record.
Deanna Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams, for being so patient this morning and this afternoon. We have a stipulation to dismiss the instant cases against the defendant for provision of valid documentation, Your Honor. I stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation here. Thank you.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for having valid documentation. I agree and concur. Thank you for your patience this morning, ma'am. And you are
Thank you,
all
Your
set.
Honor.
All right. Thank you for submitting all the paperwork so that those could be dismissed, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you. You too.
I will. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Angela
How are you?
Walker Kelly.
We're ready.
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Angela Walker Kelly. This is ticket P 1242038. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
May it please the court, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Angela Walker Kelly.
Thank you, Ms. Kelly, for your patience. Ms. Walker Kelly, for your patience. Judge, the defendant presents today with some documentation, but the prosecutor has asked that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom. Ms. Walker Kelly, would you bring that document that you showed me earlier to your next court date, please?
To the next court date?
Yes, please.
To the court as well.
Yeah, so I just think they want time to inquire into the validity of the document. That's fair.
Okay, I gotta have another court date.
Yes, you gotta come back, man.
Can I come inside? Cause this Zoom thing, I don't really know how to get with this here program.
Okay, we'll try.
Okay, so they're gonna give me another.
All right, you need an in-person date, ma'am, for the bench trial.
Yes, because this Zoom thing is not working for me.
That's fine, ma'am. I'm gonna give you an in-person date for a bench trial, okay?
Okay.
This month.
March.
Oh, I thought this was gonna be it when you show the insurance paper.
I know, I tried. We're gonna set it for the next court date. It'll work out for you.
Okay.
All right. March, I'm giving you some time, Ms. Kelly, because I see that it may be a struggle for you to get around. If I give you until March 25th, is that enough time for you to come down here physically?
Yes, March 25th.
Wait a minute.
Hold on a minute.
Weekend date. The 25th.
I know I can't go back. Okay. Was it March 27th? That's fine.
Yeah,
March 27th, ma'am, okay?
Okay, 27th. Can you
All
tell me
right.
like what can you tell me like what date is that on?
It's a Monday. Do Mondays work for you? Is it a better day of the week?
Well, if I can have like a Tuesday or a Thursday, probably is better. And that way I know both of my daughters probably be available on that day.
Oh, absolutely. The 28th. Thank you for letting me know. I will accommodate that. Okay?
Okay, 28th.
In person, okay? So come down to not Frank Murphy. Come down to 36th District Court on courtroom 337 on the third floor, okay?
337. Okay, 337. And is that 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock?
Come at 9 a.m., okay?
9 a.m. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate
You're
that.
very welcome, Ms. Kelly, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
All right. Dana Wade? Dana Wade?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Dana Wade. Go find somebody else. Ticket number 357601. One count, no operator's license on person. Count two, P11456060. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license.
Just come get my seat. Y'all can come in.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Dana Wade.
Judge, we're here for an arraignment. The plea is not guilty for that purpose, but the defendant is going to waive rights and plead guilty on a 1-1-for-1 with a rejection to failure to display. Please and thank you.
All right, sir, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Wade, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Goffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of April 16th of 2022. Were you in the area of Seymour and Fernona, P-E-O-R-I-A, in the city of Detroit, driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
I know I probably jacked that name of that street up. And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have an operator's license on you?
No, I did.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Satisfied and I stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the person to enter a plea to fail to display a valid operator's license, the remaining ticket will be dismissed. My fine is $200, sir. Are you able to pay that?
I'm on a fixed income, but I only get paid once a month. So if you can wait for a second, yeah, I wouldn't mind paying it.
If I gave you 90 days, do you think you can have it paid by then, sir?
Oh yeah, I got that covered.
Okay.
Not a problem.
All right, I'll have it due no later than April 17th, 2023. Okay, sir?
Okay. So once I pay this, Your Honor, I don't have no problem in looking forward to getting my license back.
You should be able to, pending you don't have any other issues in any other counties, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so it's usually a $45 reinstatement fee too, so be on the lookout for that. You'll be able to pay it through this ticket though. It'll tell you it'll be like $245, okay?
Sounds like a winner. Sounds like a winner.
All right, so pay all the reinstatement fees and then pay this ticket and then you'll be able to get your license back, okay?
Okay, thank you very much. You have a great day,
You're
Your Honor.
very welcome, Mr. Wade. All right, thank you for your patience today. You have a good day.
Okay, bye-bye.